Artoonza.
Future Picassos! Are you ready to turn into balloon blasting artists today? We're gonna get super creative with colors and glitter. And let's just say things might get a little messy. But don't worry, that's half the fun. We're about to make some balloons that will make even the sun jealous. First things first, let's learn how to draw some balloons that look like they're about to float away. This is so amazing. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait.
Aw, so cute.
Ready to splash some color. Let's color together. Pink, yellow, red, blue, purple, snowy white, green.
Wow!
Color. Give us a big thumbs up. Mix it up. Color. Smash that like button now. Color.
Wow!
This is so amazing.
Aw, so cute.
Give us your like. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.